Here is the Yashica Electro 35G overall conditions, and the bottom part of here is the battery compartment. Okay, try it. Okay, so inside now is have battery. It using two type of battery. The first one, see, wait a moment. Okay, yeah. This first combination is one CR123 battery with two LR44 battery, and another type of or combination we're using 4 LR44 battery with a battery adapter. Yeah, and I personally prefer like this. Okay, let me just put it inside first. We need to put the big one, then leave the small one. After that, lock it. Then click this button to see whether it got battery or not. Yeah, it light up, means that it's okay. Next is to put in here to open the back cover. Inside will be like this. Then here is the film. But the film, we need to slide into this compartment to make sure that the rewind knob have fit into the film. Okay, like that. Then the film tip, you insert into any simply hole at here lah. Yeah, like that. Okay, see, then we just one hand holding the film, another hand wind the film. So I would say like it's okay already, and we just close it. Okay, if you didn't load the film properly, you can't close the door, so you need to twist a bit, then only make sure that it's push it up. Yeah. Okay, next thing, we roll a bit, let it become a little bit tight first. Okay, to make sure that whether we have loaded the film properly or not. When we wind the film, look at here, it will move together. Yeah, like that. Okay, next step is select here to auto mode. Then this camera is using aperture priority mode, where you adjust the aperture, then the camera will select the shutter speed for you. And here is the sensor. Here you need to adjust to the ISO you set just now. Just now the film is 400, so I just set it at 400 will do. Okay. Then next thing, here's the sensor part. So it will sense according to the environment. If when I half press, yeah, you see it will show a slow, means that it's slow shutter speed. If I shoot, I can shoot. Just I need to hold it properly. If not, the outcome will be blur. Okay. We also can prevent by increasing the aperture to f1.7. You see, yeah, when I half press, it doesn't light up anymore. Means that it's okay. Well, sometimes if your aperture is too big, you see, yeah, it will light up the over. Over means that it's overexposure, where the outcome will be very bright. So we need to decrease a bit and half press. Yeah, you see, it doesn't light up anymore. So all you need is just like adjust the aperture to make sure that when you half press the shutter, it won't light up, means that it's okay. While when it doesn't light up, also got another meaning, which means that you don't have, the battery is finished. So you need to check it when you use it. Yeah. And another advice for you is when you wind the film, you will hear the sound like that. Means that is the metering is start on already, it start running. So if you just stop it like that and you put aside, then your battery will be drained very, very fast. Yeah. Okay, so every time you wind, then you just shoot it. Will do. Then here is the timer. You need to pull it down, click it, it will start counting. Took around 10 seconds like that. And about the focus is at here, and here's the viewfinder. This is a rangefinder camera, so when you look into the viewfinder, you'll find out at the center point there, got a yellow box at here. And when you use it to aim to the object, you will see there's a split image. Like example, yeah, you see here, got a split image at there. Like you see, got two fingers. I try my best. Okay, like that. So all you need is just like adjust the focus until they align together, which means that it's focused already. But yeah, unfortunately here is too near, and the minimum focus range is 0.8. So yeah, you just, as long as they align, means that it's focused, so you're not worried about it. And the focus range is only at the center point, the indicator. Yeah, it won't the whole picture lah. So overall it's like this, and here we'll show how many shots we have took. Yeah, like that. And my advice for you is no need wait shoot until 36 then stop it. You just wind until you cannot wind anymore, like you feel there's a resistance, you cannot wind, then you stop it, press the silver button at the bottom, flip here up to rewind it clockwise. Here got the arrow, so you just according to the arrow, then suddenly become very loose, means that it's okay. Then we just take out the film and take to develop build. Then here fully wind and shoot. Then when you didn't use it, take out the battery will be better. Yeah, and here's the overall. Hope you enjoy it.